guys, and welcome to my channel. I am Mina with Makeup by Mina, Slay Best Friend, and we are jumping right into this video. We are starting off with these brows, and we're going to slay these brows to the gods, ladies. Brows are not meant to be twins, but sisters, but I go for twins, honey. Sisters ain't gonna do it for me. So we just using a standard dark brown eyebrow pencil, and we're using a spoolie to brush these brows up. You better work them brows. Let me just go ahead and fill those brows in with that dark brown pencil. Moving right along, we are using that spoolie to brush any of the residue product into the front of brow, just to create that ombre effect. Next, we're going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and that was in the color Fawn. And we're just misting our brush to help move that product around. We are sculpting out the bottom portion of the brow. And we're bringing that all the way down to the tail end of the brow. Then we're going to move that product over top the eyelid to use as our eyeshadow base when that becomes time for the eyeshadow. Okay guys, we have that concealer down over the eyelid as our eyeshadow base, and we are going to be moving right along to the next brow, repeating this process. I hope thus far you guys are enjoying this video. If you like it, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to leave a comment down below, you can do that as well. Please subscribe to my channel and take this journey along with me. Going right along with that same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, we are going underneath the eyes, and we're going to use that as our highlight. Once we have that highlighter under the eye placed just as we would like it, we're going to go in with that black Opal loose setting powder, and that is in the color medium 400, and we're going to set the bottom portion of our under eye. Going right along, we are using the Morphe palette, and that is the 35B palette. We're going in with this burnt orange color, and we're going to use that as a transitioning shade for our eyeshadow. Repeating the process on the next eye, same color, that orange, and we're placing that right above the crease. Next color, we're going to use that more of a skin tone shade, and I believe that was like a light tan, and that same 35B Morphe palette, and we're going to just buff out those outer harsh edges of that orange we placed. Going into that same palette, we're going to be laying down this deeper reddish brick red, and we're going to pop that right into the crease. Yes, honey, moving right along. We are going to add a dark brown right over top the mobile lid, and we're going to go in with a fluffy brush. We're going to blend these colors out. Blend, 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 honey. We are not leaving any harsh lines untouched in this video. Blending is your best friend, so blend for your lives, honey. Going also into the Morphe palette, this is the 35OM palette, and we're going to go in with that fuchsia color, and we're going to pop that right in between that brown and that orange, just creating more depth to the eye. Repeating the process on the other eye with the same color. And because we don't want to lose that orange color, I went back into the orange with this fluffy brush, and we're going to blend out those edges. Okay, next we're going to go in with the liquid liner, and I did use the black in the e.l.f. liquid liner. And we already have our lashes applied. We're just going right across the lash band to create a seamless look to the band. Yes, we are slaying this look. We're going in now with the LA Colors powder foundation, and we're just going to place that all over our face. Because I am very oily, I do like to use a lot of powder products, and I try to stay away from the liquid products. And this does allow me to maintain a matte canvas throughout the day. Going right into our mineral color, and this is, we're using this as our contouring palette. And we're going right in and we're going to contour all of our depth areas, the areas we want to add depth to, which is the opposite of highlighting. And this is down the bridge of the nose, popping those cheekbones over top of the forehead. And I like to also, as you can see, contour around my mouth and my jawline. Then I'll buff those harsh lines out, just creating a more accented chin and jawline to the face. Moving right along, we are going to just now sculpt out the jawline and clean it up with that powdered foundation. Just cleaning up that harsh line up underneath the jawbone and smoothing everything together. Now I'm just dusting away that black opal powder we had laid underneath the eye. We are now going to go in with the blush, because we were so washed out from the foundation and the concealer. We want to add more color and bring more life back to the face. So I like to pop a color of blush on the cheeks. We're going to go in with that black standard eyeliner pencil, and we're going to pop that right into our waterline. Yes, honey, we are loving this look so far. Now this is one of my favorite go-to glitters. This is by Revlon. This is the Eye Art, and this is in the color gold. This is a liquid glitter. We're just popping this right into our tear ducts, adding more character to this look and give it a more glamorous effect. We're going in with that HD mascara, and we're going to pop that right on the bottom lashes, just creating a more open eye. I'm going to adding a more flirty look to this makeup look we have going on. Just creating more fuller, glamorous, luxurious lashes. Not just on top, but you also want to get the ones on the bottom. Not just to combat all the powder and everything we put on, we are misting our face with a finishing spray. And while the face is still damp, we're going in with this illuminating palette, and this is our glow palette. This is by Wet n Wild. You can get this from your CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, Walmart. Girl, shop around, you will be able to find it, and it adds a nice pop to the cheeks. Look at that glow, girl. Next, we are going to set our eyebrows with this setting brow powder, and this is by Kiss. And we're just going in with a little angled brush. We're going to use that dark color in that palette, and we're just setting that brow pencil. And that's just going to make sure our brows stay matte throughout the day by adding this powder to them. Now for the lips, honey, we are going in and we're just tight lining our lip line with this dark brown pencil. And we're going to go in with this vibrant violet purple. Very bright purple. Love that, right? We're just going to outline the outside of our lips. We're going to create a ombre lip using two different shades of purple. This is the dark brown violet purple. Then I'm going in with a pastel purple, and we're going to pop that right into the center of the top and bottom of the lip. And then you just want to get a good rub and rub those colors and mix those colors together, creating this ombre effect. We love that. Now we're going to go in and tighten up that lip line with this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and that is in the color Fawn. Just taking a thin brush, you want to just go around the outline or outside of your lip line, just cleaning that up, and that just creates a more pop to your lip and make your lips stand out. This is one of my favorite parts of doing the lipsticks. Now to just finish everything up and give it a set so everything won't move throughout the day. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and please do not forget to hit the bell so you can be notified for my next videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.